Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we'll see how to install MAPP on macOS. Regardless you are doing M1 or M2, it would work similarly. So come to this MAPP info and then /en/Mac. Over here, you need to go ahead and click on this download button and it'll auto start the downloading. Okay, now my downloaded file is saved over here. Then I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. So after double clicking it, it's unzipped, and now I'm going to double click again. And then I'm going to say yes, open, and then click on download. So this one is actually going to install the related MAPP packages, libraries, and everything that it make your server up and running. So it may take a bit of time depending on your internet speed. Once the file is downloaded, here we're going to go ahead and just click continue. One of them we have to agree with the license, and then it's going to start installing. Now this should be your Mac password, and it's done. Since it's done, we're gonna remove that. It's done, and then we're gonna go ahead and find our MAPP. It should be somewhere in our dashboard. So here we see. Go ahead and click on that. It's gonna start. Okay, and that's it. It started. Now the one that we are going to use is the free version, and I think that's enough for our project in this case, and most of the time it's enough for any kind of Laravel project, I would say that. Now if you do use their paid version, what it does, you can manage multiple sites much better, but we don't need that. So now here we can go ahead and click on this, and once you see this, it is actually working. And then over here you can also click on MySQL. You can click on this. So it's going to open up phpMyAdmin. That means that actually it's working. Now to verify this another way, you can also here type in index.php, and if you say this, that means that it's already working. So now PHP is up and running. Now PHP and MySQL, they're both up and running. Remember over here you'll see that you can start and stop, so we can stop the server. Of course, if you stop the server and you click on that, it's not going to work. So in that case, you can go ahead and run it. And another thing that I'm going to show to you, that some customized sections, for example, over here, you have this preferences. So you should be clicked all of them. Okay. And then here you have ports. So these are the default ports. You should not change them. But if you do change them, make sure that you reflect in your PHP file in other places. Okay. All right. So different kind of MySQL version. Now to create this project, we need to go ahead and open up our terminal, and we need to navigate to this folder, and it is in applications, MAPP, and htdocs. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, so this is our terminal over here. Now inside the terminal, we're gonna do cd applications. Okay. And then here we do cd, I think we just slashed out. Okay. And then here we could do MAPP. All right. And here we go. So inside this, here you see there are different files. The folder that we want to go to is this one. So we're going to navigate to htdocs. So here htdocs. All right. And ls. So there's just one file. All right, but we want to actually go ahead and create a Laravel project inside this. So that's why you're going to run composer create project Laravel learning app. So this is our app name, Laravel app name. You can name it anything you like, it doesn't matter. So now we're going to hit enter. So it's going to download our Laravel and related packages. So it's done. So anyway, here we could do PHP artisan serve. Okay. Now it looks like it's not there. Of course it's not there, because you see that we have here uLearning app. So we need to go inside that cd.uLearning app, and then here we can run this command, and it's going to open up our server. Now one of the server is already running because I'm running multiple sites. So here this one, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Once I copy this, I'm going to put it here. Okay, and we see that this is our Laravel server. Okay, so this is the server that up and running. So